Hello creators. In this video, we will discuss one major secret to using and activating the law of attraction so that you can attract and create whatever it is you want in life. As we have discussed, the law of attraction dictates that like attracts like, and whatever you put out into the universe comes back to you. Also, whatever you hold your attention to in your mind that is backed by feeling and emotions will manifest itself in your physical reality. However, there is one key that is needed to activate the law of attraction to get whatever it is you want in life. When most people first learn about the law of attraction, they may think that sitting in a room and thinking about what they want and feeling good about it will get them whatever they desire, and that whatever they want will then simply land in their lap. This is not the case, as using the law of attraction requires more than those initial steps to getting what you want. Activating the law of attraction requires one simple key, and that key is the desire to create something. The desire to create something is what activates the law of attraction to bring into your physical reality the circumstances, situations, events, and people that match your vibrational desires. For example, if you want to meet the love of your life or your ideal mate, you will have to have a desire to create something to go with that want. In this case, that could be creating a very deep and meaningful relationship with someone. Or it could be creating a family with that ideal mate. Another example is if you want to become healthy, fit, and have the body of your dreams. In this case, it's quite obvious that you want to create your ideal body that looks exactly like the way you want it to, and is also healthy and energetic like you want it to be. You are creating and sculpting your ideal body when you are fulfilling this desire. If you want money, you're going to have to create some sort of vehicle that will deliver that monetary want to you. Perhaps it may be starting an online business or side business, or it could be investing money into something that will deliver to you that monetary goal. If you work a typical day job, your income is limited to the hours that you spend at that job, or it is limited to the contract of your yearly salary. Therefore, wishing that the universe will one day deliver you an amount of money that you want while doing the same thing each and every day will simply not work. All of this goes in line with the idea that in order to receive from the universe, you must first give. By putting out that desire to create something, you are setting a goal. By setting a goal, you are giving yourself something that you can visualize, focus on, and hold your attention to. Therefore, by focusing on that goal to create whatever it is in your mind, the universe will then deliver to you things that will bring you closer to that goal of creating something. So as you can see, we do not simply attract things into our lives for nothing. We attract things into our lives by creating something, and the law of attraction is simply a tool that allows you to create. Figure out what it is you want to create in your life and get a burning desire for creating it. The law of attraction will then work behind the scenes for you and take care of the rest. I hope you learned something new and valuable from this video, or that it reinforced something you already heard. If you'd like to learn more about the law of attraction, go to www.lawofattractioncreator.com now, where you can also get our free ebook, The Law of Attraction in 3 Simple Steps. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more law of attraction content.